Long, long ago, before your parents or even your grandparents were born, the British brought a brand new game to India. It was played with a hard red ball and heavy wooden bats. At first, Indians just watched from the sidelines, but soon they decided they wanted to join the fun. The Parsi community in Mumbai started the very first Indian cricket club. By 1932, India was ready to play its very first Test match against England. Imagine stepping onto the massive Lord's Cricket Ground in London, wearing heavy white clothes without any helmets or fancy guards. Our first captain, C.K. Nayudu, led the team with incredible courage. India didn't win that match, but they won the respect of the world. The seed of cricket had officially been planted in Indian soil. For a long time, winning was really hard. Playing against powerful teams like England and Australia was like a little kid arm wrestling a giant. But Indians are quick learners. In 1952, India finally tasted its first ever Test match victory against England in Chennai. The crowds went completely wild. Then came the 1970s, the era of the famous spin quartet. India didn't have very fast bowlers back then, but we had magicians who spun the ball. They could make the cricket ball turn, bounce, and dance like a top, completely confusing the greatest batsman in the world. Around the same time, a brave batter named Sunil Gavaskar, lovingly called the Little Master, showed the world that Indian batsmen were not scared of anyone, not even the fastest, scariest bowlers on the planet. If Indian cricket was a superhero movie, this would be the biggest plot twist. It was 1983 and the World Cup was happening in England. Almost nobody thought India could win. The West Indies team was the most fearsome in the world. They were the ruling champions and looked completely unbeatable. But our captain, Kapil Dev, had a different plan. He told his Devils, and that's what the team was called, to play with all their heart and fear nothing. In the final match, India scored only 183 runs. Everyone watching thought we would definitely lose. But our bowlers fought like lions, taking wicket after wicket. When the last West Indies batsman got out, history was made. India had won the World Cup. Overnight, every single kid in India wanted to pick up a cricket ball and lift a trophy. In the late 1980s, a 16-year-old boy with curly hair walked onto the pitch. His name was Sachin Tendulkar. For the next 24 years, whenever Sachin batted, the whole country stopped whatever they were doing to watch. Trains were missed, dinners got cold, and homework was forgotten. But nobody cared as long as Sachin was hitting boundaries. He became known as the god of cricket. With Sachin came a team of true superheroes: Sourav Ganguly, the fierce and fearless captain; Rahul Dravid, the unbreakable wall who never let the bowlers win; VVS Laxman, the artist who hit the ball with elegance; Anil Kumble, the jumbo spinner who once took all 10 wickets in a single innings. And together they traveled the globe, beating mighty teams in their own countries and making India super proud. Next, enter a boy from Ranchi with long hair and a super powerful swing, MS Dhoni. He was famous for his amazing helicopter shot and his incredibly calm mind. When the pressure was highest and everyone else was nervous, Dhoni was the coolest person on the field. Under Captain Cool, India became a trophy-winning machine. 2007, we won the very first T20 World Cup, a brand new, super-fast, 20-over version of cricket. 2011, the ODI World Cup returned to India. In the final match, Dhoni hit a massive six into the night sky, and India won the World Cup after 28 long years. People danced on the streets all night long. 2013, we won the Champions Trophy in England, proving once again that we were the best team in the world. As time went on, new heroes took the stage. Virat Kohli, with his fierce passion and unmatched fitness, became the run-scoring king of the world. Rohit Sharma, known as the Hitman, hit so many sixes it looked like he was playing a video game. And our bowlers? Led by Jasprit Bumrah, who bowls Yorkers like laser beams, India built the scariest and most awesome fast bowling attack in the world. These modern warriors brought us massive recent victories. In 2024, under Rohit Sharma's brilliant captaincy, India conquered the world again by winning the T20 World Cup in a nail-biting final against South Africa. The whole country celebrated with firecrackers and sweets. But they didn't stop there. In 2025, Rohit led the team to lift the Champions Trophy, proving that the modern Indian team is an unstoppable force of nature. But wait, the story isn't just about the boys. Indian women's cricket has grown into a massive superpower of its own. Legends like Mithali Raj and fast bowler Jhulan Goswami paved the way, playing brilliantly for years and showing the world the power of Indian women. Today, superwomen like Harmanpreet Kaur and Smriti Mandhana are smashing the ball out of the park. With the launch of the Women's Premier League, WPL, young girls across India now know that they too can wear the blue jersey, play in packed, roaring stadiums, and become world champions. From a time when Indian players didn't even have helmets to protect their heads, to becoming the absolute kings and queens of the cricket world today, the journey has been nothing short of magical. It is a story of dreaming big, falling down, getting back up, and absolutely never giving up. So, the next time you pick up a bat in your backyard or bowl a tennis ball down the hallway of your house, remember, you are a part of this great Indian cricket adventure. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and who knows, the next amazing chapter of this story might just be written by you.